Ya narua itukwithirwo tukiadmit the second cohort baravezite almost 200 from different ward chonde 45 chithiritwe chi represented as last week. At the end of the last week jairathira igoro turombite kurelease the first cohort ira irari aja for the entire week for paradisciplinary training paramilitary training na bomba gukurukira mantu mwanya mwanya mantu zegie soft skill especially kiri entrepreneurship mantu za kwa good citizen we commit kiri mantu mwanya mwanya in the society na ora bomba kuria society just kwa a good citizen na bena different trainers baraba bakurukira itinjira mwanya mwanya inya drug and substance abuse bakwena curriculum ira bombite kwithira bekurukira for the entire week na kiumia giki bau ibambiritie community service arabethiritwe na arua be South Imenti area level 4 kana Kanyakine hospital bakitetha area in ngugi mwanya mwanya neu ni approach area tukwenda at least bauma training yaza baka integrated kire community as we prepare them next wethera wekire ira tugweta the hard skills kana different skills arabageta kire vocational training centers kana TVET chetu na bakethro the last phase atukwenda gutuma warning kire general public kire antu baraba kwenda kuria arabate andite na baraba kwenda kuthukuma na njira cia uragai itwezete kumenya kwi baraba kwa area a youth now njirene bebera baba ikemo baba nenkere gantu ankwenda obwira your time is very short toga pambana nago na bamwe bombete kwandikithia statement na investigation to anenkanira ke DCI na agencies ingi cha kithirikari ikenda antu bau bagwatwa ankwenda obwira na abu bwinthe achiari na inyana barabe na interest na MYS. MYS is very transparent na ibu kumenya recruitment ya very open na yari na area bieni ne mwanya mwanya otena ange omba ko recruiterwa tiga njirerea to atomeretie na to ita schedule e ko recruit ko bo bange bo bwiranga itangiri ngirizere anga babwikia ke MYS bo ni ataperi na iamba na ntuko chiao itekinya fote tukethirwa bakugwatwo na bekerwa mpine ko ukairwe tafadhali ukairwe itambio uikwaye MYS ari kwethirwa kwena face inge recruitment bukereithwa na twina njira injaga cia official communication area recruitment ikugitoneo tafadhali ethirwa tena barua ya admission ere saini CEO tafadhali tigana mantu za uburu ukairwa nau no tembecha chita waikenda recruit wa MYS already njira ne itero very open at the process you tafadhali usira watu wasikuibe no kageta mtu koragai.
Naitwa Hilary Tinyali Peter Mel Central. Nimefurahia kuwa hapa. Nashukuru government yetu vile imetufanya kama sisi mayouth kuwa hapa. Tunawashukuru kwa siku hii ya leo. Tunakuja kufanya course zetu. Kama mimi nitafanya agrobusiness, I thank them a lot. Tunaombea youth wengine wako nyumbani wakuje wajiunge na sisi ndio wasipotelee kwa pombe na ini other drugs.
Kwa majina naitwa Boniface Mochui from Abogeta West. As from now niko hapa MYS, niko recruited. Nimekuja hapa ku achieve my goal. Nikifanya training niende course, nafanya building and construction. After that nikimaliza nisaidie serikali na nashukuru governor wetu aleta youth wengine ambao wamepotelea nyumbani.